at Ceremonies Primary School, we acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land, the Bunurong people on which we stand today, and recognize their continuing connection to land, water, and culture.
We pay our respects to the elders past, present, and emerging.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every state advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair.
Well, hi everyone, and welcome to our very last Cranbourne East Primary School online assembly for Term 1. Well, my first message is to say what a wonderful, wonderful evening at school it was last night. The disco was absolutely fantastic. Well done to our students who attended, and a big thank you to the staff for coming along to support that activity. We must also say a really big thank you when you see Mrs. Wrigley around. Say thank you to Mrs. Wrigley for all the hard work putting that together. Well, as you know, we're heading into 2 weeks of school holidays. Please remember to stay safe, rest up, have fun. And if you are riding a bike, a scooter or a skateboard around, remember to wear a helmet, and please remember to ensure that helmet is strapped up. First day of next term, again, we want to see every single person back at school, seated in their learning space, on time, ready to commence their learning. Don't be late. You may even have to get up a little bit earlier on that day. Also on the day, we'll be moving through an Anzac Day ceremony, but we'll share information on the day with the entire school. Our school captains will be heading off to Cranbourne on the Tuesday, the public holiday, to lay a wreath at the cenotaph on behalf of the school community. Well, being the last day, I want to say one word, and that is thank you. Thank you to all of our students, and thank you to all of our staff for the wonderful, wonderful work that you have done this term. Remember, as I always say, read every single day. And I hear some fantastic stories from students around the school. And finally, I want to leave you with a question. Where do you think I am today? Take care, everybody. Stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you next term. Bye now.
Hello, well, can you believe it? It is the final week of term 1 already. How time flies when you're having fun. All right, who is ready for an Easter themed joke? What is the Easter Bunny's favourite type of music? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. Okay, your time is up. What is the Easter Bunny's favourite type of music? Hip hop. I hope you enjoyed that one. I hope you all have a really wonderful school holiday break. Don't eat too many chocolate eggs, and we'll see you all back here on day 1 next term. Bye now.
On April 25th, it's Anzac Day. In our library, there will be a
selection of books, fiction and non-fiction, about the Anzacs and Gallipoli.
Congrats on Hudson for coming in 4th place with
Hudson got 1,120.
Congratulations, Donnelly, for coming in 3rd place
with 1,220 points.
Thank you.
Congratulations on Ruffy for coming 2nd.
They got 1,230.
We are very proud to say that Lara came
first with 1,370 points.
Congratulations, everyone, and good job, Lyle.
And good job to all the other classes.